To fix the Whirlpool oven error F6 E1, you need to understand what it means, its causes, and the solutions. The error code F6 E1 indicates a problem with the oven's electronic control board and the user interface. This error can occur due to a faulty keypad, a malfunctioning control board, or a problem with the wiring between the keypad and the control board. First, try to reset the oven by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. If the error persists, check the keypad for any signs of damage or wear. Make sure all the buttons are functioning correctly and that there are no blockages or debris on the keypad. If the keypad appears to be working fine, the issue may be with the control board. Check the wiring between the keypad and the control board for any signs of damage or corrosion. Verify that all the connections are secure and that there are no loose wires. In some cases, the error F6 E1 can be caused by a software issue. Check the Whirlpool website for any firmware updates for your oven model. If an update is available, follow the instructions to update the firmware. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to replace the electronic control board or the keypad. Before attempting any repairs, make sure to unplug the oven from the power outlet to avoid any electrical shock. It is also recommended to consult a professional appliance technician if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs. They can diagnose the issue and provide a more detailed solution. Additionally, if your oven is still under warranty, contact Whirlpool customer support for assistance. To prevent future errors, make sure to clean the keypad regularly and avoid exposing the oven to extreme temperatures or moisture. By following these steps and taking preventive measures, you can fix the Whirlpool oven error F6 E1 and ensure your oven is working properly.